guys, I love this car. Like if there is another car that I had to buy, I don't think I could buy another car because I love this one so much. Today is probably the last day where we're gonna have good weather. We're gonna do a PO video today. I have the GoPro. We're gonna go down to like the city. Also, my exhaust kind of rattles a little bit. I don't know if I have a clamp loose or if there's like that clamp near your exhaust valve. But yeah, it sucks. I love the fall time, I do, but when it gets to the point where it's like 20 degrees outside and there's snow everywhere and there's ice, it's not enjoyable for car enthusiasts like myself and like the G8 or just anybody in general. So that's why it's like I have to get out of here. That way I can enjoy content and make content all year round without having to worry about anything. Because right now, that's our biggest worry, is that we're not gonna have any car content. Because the next 8 months are literally going to be horrible. Okay, we have made it to the road spot. We only have 50% battery, so I have to hurry up. Okay, let's see. Now the problem is this road is very windy and I get car sick pretty easily, so we're gonna see how bad this is gonna be. Oh, it's a cute German Shepherd. God, look at that hurricane up there. Alright, so I want to go into Beyond Juicery. Oh shit, I'm parked right here. Is this not a parking spot? No, you can't park there. So I actually had a really good, this is called it's an acai bowl. I really forgot the name of it. But this thing is so good, it melted. It's like trash now, basically. But we got to go. Actually, I'm gonna throw this away real quick, but I'm gonna start the car up. Oh shoot. Let's open the valves. And there's a trash can near here real quick too, so. Door almost got taken off. So this is actually the famous like Friday, Saturday night during the summertime road that everyone comes and cruises on. I'm talking like everybody, like clapped out Beamers, Ferraris, Lambos, Subarus, everything is always on this road. It's Tuesday, but you know, and normally it dies down around this time of the year, but people might be out tonight because it is the last freaking warm day that we're probably gonna have. It's ridiculous. Length, oh my. Woo! But we just have issues with the downshift, so I'm gonna have one of my boys come over and look at it for me. We're gonna see what's popping. Maybe the valves are positioned differently. That's what I think it is. I think something happened where the valves are not positioned correctly and it's just messing everything up, so we'll see. Like, you guys see what I gotta do? It's probably not good for the car, but when I'm downshifting, right, when I get to second, I have to press on the gas just a little bit and then it reopens the valves, because right now I'm in second. Watch, I'm gonna go to third. Quiet, kinda, mostly quiet. And like, I'd rather have everything just always at that, like if it could sound like second gear all the time, I would freaking be in love with this even more. Dude, what is going on right now? Hit that gap. Yeah, that's my boy. Homie wildin' in a 330. That's funny. But I gotta turn around anyways. I think the GoPro died. So now I'm literally stuck with this. So there's a tunnel coming up and I'm gonna make sure I get some tunnel exhaust for you guys because this is like the best tunnel on board. had 12,000 miles a year and a half ago. Isn't that crazy? That's it for the POV video today. I wish it could have been longer, but my freaking GoPro died. It literally died. I'm so glad I brought this extra camera. But like, the audio didn't do justice as it would have on the GoPro a little bit when I went through the tunnel, which sucks, but whatever. That is the end of today's video. It really wasn't much. I wish I could have done more, but like I said, and it sucks that this is the last warm day that we'll get probably for a while. If you guys enjoyed the video, please don't forget to give it a like and subscribe. We're gonna hopefully be posting more videos soon, and you know, we'll keep on track for you guys, because I like creating these videos and I like when you guys watch them and comment and, you know, anything. Like I said, we got big plans for the channel too, but again, if you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.